Ready, start. Exhibit P9, Government Order dated 23/2014, whereby the government issued a no objection certificate to the seventh respondent for the purpose of enabling the seventh respondent school to seek and obtain affiliation from the Central Board of Secondary Education is under challenge in this writ petition number 2. The main ground raised in the instant writ petition is that the seventh respondent does not possess the required extent of land for obtaining affiliation. It is contended that the actual extent of land available is only 1.55 acres, wherein a chapel, a convent, and a public school are already functioning, and therefore the government erred in granting a no objection certificate, ignoring the stipulation in the norm laid down by the Central Board of Secondary Education that the school must have about 2 acres of land. It is also contended that lease deed dated 1910-2013, whereby the seventh respondent obtained 1.27 acres of land on lease, is waterlogged, that is, that it cannot be reclaimed in view of the provisions contained in the Kerala Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2008, and therefore the government erred in taking into account land covered by the aforesaid lease deed as land available with the seventh respondent. Yet, another contention raised is that 1.2 acres of land covered by lease deed dated WPC number 10195 of 2014, 27/1/2014, the impugned order discloses that Little Flower Convent, which owns 3.69 acres of land, had leased out 2 acres out of the said 3.69 acres to St. Joseph's Educational and Charitable Trust as per lease deed dated 14/11/2007 and rectification deed dated 4/6/2011. The government have in the impugned order taken note of the fact that the said 2 acres of land is bounded on all four sides by a compound wall and is separated from the balance extent of 1.69 acres belonging to Little Flower Convent, WB, WC, and WE. The petitioner does not dispute the correctness of this fact. The petitioner has also not so far instituted a suit challenging the lease deed dated 14/11/2007 and a rectification deed dated 4/6/2011, whereby Little Flower Convent leased out 2 acres of land to St. Joseph's Educational and Charitable Trust. The said trust was created by document number 28/2008 dated 22/2008 of Nijrakal Sub-Registry. The constitution of charitable trust has not so far been challenged. The government have inter alia referred to these facts and have taken note of the possession certificate issued by the WPC number 10195 of 2014 village officer. It is evident from the said stipulation that school need have only 2 acres of land. It is also evident from the aforesaid stipulation that in a portion of that land building can be constructed and the remaining land put to use as playground. If that be so, I fail to understand how the petitioner can contend that the Seventh respondent school does not satisfy the affiliation bylaws of the Central Board of Secondary Education. The learned senior advocate submitted that though the aforesaid stipulation in Exhibit P2 government order was quashed by a division bench of this court in WA number 1042 of 2012 and connected cases, the apex court has stayed the operation of the judgment of the division bench and therefore the stipulation in Exhibit P2 operate with full force. The learned senior advocate also contended that the lands which the seventh respondent had obtained on lease as per lease deeds dated 1910-2013 and 27/1/2014 referred to in paragraph 4 of Exhibit P2 are not fit for the purpose of establishing a school, that 1.27 acres of land covered by lease deed dated 1910-2013 is waterlogged and cannot be reclaimed in view of the provisions contained in the Kerala Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2008, that 1.2 acres covered by lease deed obtained 27/1/2004 is part of the land where villas are being constructed, that is situate about 5 kilometers away from the school, and therefore the government erred in relying on the aforesaid lease deeds to grant a no objection certificate in favor of the seventh respondent.